I was 13 when I was abducted. My abduction lasted a few hours. At most. Not years. Not years. M13. The letter M, the 13th letter of the alphabet. Ming. Marco. The 13th named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season, 2020. Marco. The next storm is Josephine, if she hasn't already formed. Former DJ Ming was sentenced to the maximum, 24 strokes of the ration cane in Singapore. Since his extreme caning, the former DJ has been dreaming in the dim blood-red shadows of nightmare. Dreaming in red, I say. He's dreaming in red. An angel dreams in red. Atlantic Basin 2020. Warning. Major hurricane. Marco. M. Ming. Marco. The Category 5 intensifier. Marco will seemingly come out of nowhere. And people will be shocked by this brutal sadist and destroyer of lives. Marco. Rat and cane. Violent hurricane. Bad boy caning time. Marco. Beautiful boy Satan. Blonde Marco. R.L. Stein. The twins, Daniel and Samuel. Blonde hair and blue eyes. Just like Marco, the boy I knew when he was 12. Daniel and Samuel are the blonde-haired and blue-eyed 12-year-old twins from the island. In Red Rain by R.L. Stein. The book that gave me goosebumps when I first saw it, because I had just written Red Rain equals 69, an hour or two before I saw the book. Which was more than slightly weird, considering what the book is about. 12-year-old identical twins, Daniel and Samuel. They used to say the identical twins could control the weather. So how do I know it's Marco? Well, how do I know Marco is going to be bad? How do I know it's going to be like a rapid intensifier? How do I know that? Steamboat Geezer told me the last time it erupted. DJ Ming is 57. Mostly, it just started out of nowhere, shocked us all. Caning, 48, Bad Boy, 49. Stormboy, 127. The time in Darwin was 1:27 a.m. last Tuesday morning. It's now Wednesday, the 5th of August 2020. Jacksonville, Florida. And Cairns, Queensland. Danny and Gabrielle. A couple of other names to keep in mind. Daniel is the evil twin in Red Rain. M13. Marco. Beautiful boy named Marco. I used to chat to Marco about all kinds of stuff, including climate change. People will be shocked. Seemingly it will come out of nowhere. Something else I used to chat to Marco about was his book I had read. This one, actually. The Ruins. And because Marco was only 12, I didn't go into any detail, but he kept asking me questions. Mexico is where this is set. He kept asking me questions, and I realized eventually that he'd actually got the entire story out of me. even the bad parts.